Metal. The term metal refers to a category of materials that are typically hard, shiny, and have good electrical and thermal conductivity. Metals are known for their strength and durability, making them widely used in various industries, such as construction, manufacturing, and engineering. Examples of metals include 1. Iron. Iron is a strong and abundant metal that is commonly used in the production of steel. It is used in the construction of buildings, bridges, and vehicles. 2. Aluminum. Aluminum is a lightweight metal that is resistant to corrosion. It is used in the manufacturing of aircraft, cans, and cookware. 3. Copper. Copper is an excellent conductor of electricity and is often used in electrical wiring, plumbing systems, and electronics. 4. Gold. Gold is a precious metal known for its beauty and rarity. It is used in jewelry, coins, and decorative items. 5. Silver. Silver is another precious metal that is used in jewelry, cutlery, and photography. 6. Titanium. Titanium is a strong and lightweight metal that is used in the aerospace industry, medical devices, and sports equipment. These examples demonstrate the diverse applications of metals in various fields. Metals are essential for modern society due to their physical properties and versatility.